Hello, Expressionz Travelers. Welcome to Travel Escapes. I'm Carol, your travel bestie. Today, I'm giving you a tour of the Swim Out Junior Suite at Princess Grand Jamaica. This is one of the island's newest five-star all-inclusive resorts. If you can, upgrade to the Swim Out. It definitely adds something to your stay. And if you're a shy content creator like myself, it's perfect for creating in private. So if you want me to share some content creation ideas at a resort, leave a comment and I'll do a follow-up video. So the cost of this suite is from about $261 per person per night. But of course, with Expressionz Travels, you can book with $25 down, and we have some amazing payment plans. Plus, right now, guys, 2 kids stays free. Full details are in the caption. I'm giving this room a 7.5 out of 10, and I'll tell you why. But don't forget to subscribe for more resort tips and more resort tours. Let's take a look inside. Right at the entrance, the bathroom is on the left and the minibar, closet, and safe are on the right. Remember, it's an all-inclusive, everything is included. The suite has 2 spacious double beds, modern decor, and lots of natural light. Perfect for families or friends, or if you just want to relax on a solo vacation. There's also a TV, work desk, and a cozy seating area. You can also book a king room, guys, but we chose the double. No, for the bathroom, it's roomy, it's modern, but I have to say, the couch inside felt a bit out of place. I was more expecting a jacuzzi. Plus, there's curtains separating the bathroom from the bedroom. So this is where they lost their first point for me. Some of the things that I really liked about this room, I like that it had a seating area. I love having somewhere other than the bed to relax in the room. I also love the decor. It was light and airy, and it's instantly giving you a sense of relaxation. Of course, stepping out in the swim out patio was a beautiful experience. There are 2 chairs, perfect for a midnight gap. But what you should know is that it's not a private pool. The swim out stretches along the building, so you'll see your neighbors. My view also faced the water park, so it wasn't the most private, and that's where they lost half point. Overall, it's definitely worth booking. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the Princess Grand Jamaica Swim Out Junior Suite. Leave a comment if you would stay here, and if you've already stayed, what would be your rating? In my next video, I'll be sharing my floating breakfast experience at Princess Grand and why I chose not to do it in my swim out room.